Sometimes you don't pretend. Learn from your mistakes and choose the road to take. Yes, you are a shining star, a beam of light that surely takes you far. That's what you are.